In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate an object in AutoCAD to match the angle of a line quickly and accurately. Start by selecting the object you want to rotate, such as a rectangle or any other shape. Next, type RO in the command line and press Enter to activate the rotate command. AutoCAD will ask you to specify a base point, so click the point that should remain fixed during the rotation. Once the base point is selected, move your cursor and rotate the object until one of its edges aligns with the target line. Use the visual preview to fine-tune the position before clicking to confirm. This method is perfect for aligning objects precisely without manually calculating angles. It helps improve accuracy and speeds up your drafting workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more AutoCAD tips and tutorials.